Okay, so today in math, we're going to be talking about this sign right here. It's called the equal sign. We've used it before. We've seen it look a little bit different though. Usually it looks like this, equals. 3 plus 2 equals 5. We can use it in a number sentence. That's something we do often. But what does that really mean? To look at the numbers 3 plus 2 equals 5, we know that the equal sign means that it has to be the same. So 3 plus 2 has to be the same as 5. For instance, let's use some shapes here. If we have 1, 2, 3 circles, and 1, 2 squares, is that the same thing as 5 when we count them all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that this is 5 shapes, which is equal to 5. 5 is the same as 5. So let's take a look at our balance. We can use the same concepts with balances. This is a pan balance, remember. When you place things in a balance, it changes the direction that it falls. If I place a weight on this side goes down and this side goes up. That means that this is heavier or more than this. And in this case, that would mean that one weight is more or heavier than no weights. If we wanted to make this pan balance equal, which means the sides would have to be the same, just like in an addition sentence, how would we do that to the pan balance? If I have 1 on the left side, how many should I add to the right side so that it's the same? Well, if I have 1 over there, I need to put 1 on both sides. Now you see how the pan balance is back level. It's the same on both sides. That means that the sides are equal. Okay, so what if I add another one to this side? Now this side is tipping down, which means there are more weights on this side and less weights on this side. This is heavier and this is lighter, but I want them to weigh the same. How can I make this weigh the same? I need to make sure there are the same number of weights on both sides. I have 1 weight over here, but I have 2 weights over here. How can I fix that? If I add 1 more weight to this side, are they the same? Now I have 1, 2 over here, and I have 1, 2 over here. So I have 2 weights and 2 weights. That's the same. They are now equal. I could keep doing this. I could do this with as many numbers as I want. Like maybe I want to put in all right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here, but I only have 2 up here. They're not equal. This side is much heavier than this side. How can I make them the same? It doesn't matter what number I have. I just have to make sure whatever I add to one side, I also add to the second side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But up here I only have 1, 2. So I need to keep counting until I get to 5. I'm going to add another one. Now I'm at 3, 4, 5. Now I have 5 weights in both sides. It's level, which means that this is equal again. So no matter what number I choose, I could put 20 weights on one side. As long as I put 20 weights on the other side, it will always be equal. Remember, equal means the same. So here's what you're going to be working on today. you're going to have this worksheet. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw weights or shapes really on each side so that your pan balance is level or equal. So what I would do is maybe I would put circles or squares or triangles, something that I know how to draw, or you could draw smiles or hearts or whatever you were looking to draw in there. And whatever you draw on one side, you need to make sure you draw the same number on the other so that they are equal. Down below, it's just asking you to fill in what you did. So it says number and objects. So if I drew 3 circles, I would write the number 3 and then the word circle here so I can tell what it is. 3 circles equals, how many circles would I put on the next side to make it equal? I would need to put in 3 circles because if I have 3 circles on the left side, I need the same number, 3 circles on the right side. You can choose any object and any number, but make sure they're the same on both sides. That's how we know they're equal. Do your best work.